Hello, Chef here. Another pork roast. I've got a couple of quick tips and tricks for you to show you another way of preparing a pork roast. So this particular roast here is good to go, but I got to remove a little bit of this silver skin. Don't want to chew on that stuff. Right, we'll take that right off of there. Okay, it's looking pretty good. A little more right here. Okay, I got that off. Now, this is going to go on the grill, so I'm going to marinate it and grill it. I'll show you those steps as we go along. First thing I want to do is I'm using a slicing knife, and I'm going to slice it into nice even pieces. I'm actually going to start in the middle, cut it right in half. I want to see which way the grain goes. Okay, and it seems to mostly be going this way, the larger muscles. So that's the slices I'm going to be looking for right there. This is going to get grilled, and this is what I'm looking for right here. Nice pieces like that. So I'm just going to repeat all the way down. Then this is going to get tenderized. It's going to get marinated. So these last few pieces might be a little trickier. There we go. Okay. Just like that. All right, so we've got all of our pieces now. I'll show you what I got here, and I'm going to marinate them. I'm going to get the grill ready, and after a couple of hours of marinating, oh yeah, these are going to be good. Okay, wiping off my beautiful maple cutting board with a dry paper towel. Yeah, that's it, we're done. It's good to go. Whenever I tenderize with this thing, I like to use a plastic cutting board. And I'm just gonna tenderize each one of these about 5 or 6 times to create holes, and it makes it easier to chew, but I want the marinade to penetrate. Okay, I'm making the marinade for this pork, and I'm going to be using a small food processor. Let's see what we got here. Lots of ingredients. I've got 10 cloves of garlic going right in. I've got 2 tablespoons of fresh basil. I've got half an onion. I'm just going to put a couple pieces. Start it up a little bit. Okay, the rest of the onion. I've got 2 tablespoons of diced dried jalapeno, and we're going to be putting in a generous amount of olive oil. This is the extra virgin stuff, the good stuff. Let's go with about half a cup of olive oil. The other thing this is going to need to marinate all that pork is some water. We're going to put 4 ounces of cold water. Oh yeah, one more thing, some fresh ground black pepper would be good. Sea salt. This is the Hawaiian pink sea salt. Oh yeah, good stuff. Pulse it up here. Okay, this is ready. Yeah. This is going to go right over the pork. Here's the pork. One more thing I forgot. I'm going to sprinkle some lemon juice on this pork as well. You can use a whole fresh lemon if you have one. Okay. And the marinade goes right over the top. We're going to let this go for a couple of hours. I also added some diced dried shallots. Those will soak up and have a lot of flavor. It's going to be really, really good. Good idea to move the meat around, let that marinade get on each piece. Some of you may have noticed using the best container for a marinade like this, stainless steel. Oh yeah, this is a few hours later. Check that out. Got all that flavor has penetrated. Meat's changing color. That's exactly what we're looking for right there. Oh, it's gonna be really good. And over here we have a very hot hardwood fire ready to go. I'm gonna oil this grill. Wow, really, really hot. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. Let's throw another tip your way. Just lift up the grate, put a piece of this cherry wood on there so it smokes a little bit. Now I'm going to get that full cherry smoke flavor I'm looking for as I put this meat on the grill. Yep. All right. Here we go. Oh yeah. Want to move these pieces of pork around a little bit so they all get nice and smoky charred. I'll be back. The pork was super tender and delicious. I sliced it thin. Enjoyed it with some potatoes and vegetables. Please make sure to support the sponsors. This will keep the channel going. Try the recipe, subscribe, free masterclasses. Let's get cooking. So the salad now is tossed with a vinaigrette. I've got the lettuce as the base. This is the improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's going to be good. Search the channel. Just put in chicken recipes, barbecue sauce, all kinds of different chicken dishes going on. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax.